Constitution, the government has placed 4 key principles: service, good governance, prosperity, and pride at the core of governance. Initiatives like construction of 12 crore toilets under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, 10 crore free LPG gas connections under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, ration for 80 crore needy citizens, the Subhagya Yojana and the Jal Jeevan Mission have given the poor the confidence that they can live with dignity. Due to such efforts, 25 crore people have overcome poverty and moving forward in life. Honorable members, it is a matter of pride for the Parliament that India's daughters are now flying fighter jets, joining the police force and leading corporate companies. Following my government decision, girls have entered and started enrolling in national military schools and National Defense Academy as cadets. Our daughters are also making the nation proud by winning medals in the Olympics. An internship program for 1 crore youth will provide them with hands-on experience in real-world work environment. In the QS World Future Skill Index 2025, India has risen to the 2nd place globally. Showcasing our leadership in artificial intelligence and digital technology, adoption in the future of work category. Similarly, India's rank in the Global Innovation Index has improved significantly, moving up from 76th to 39th position. For enhancing the ease of doing research, the One Nation, One Subscription scheme has recently been introduced, offering free access to international research materials. The inauguration of the new Nalanda University campus has revived India's ancient glory in education. Honorable members, the day is not far when an Indian citizen will travel to space aboard the indigenously developed Gaganyaan spacecraft. India's teams, whether at the Olympics or Paralympics, have consistently delivered outstanding performances. Recently, India also achieved remarkable success at the World Chess Championship. My government has utilized digital technology as a tool for social justice and equality. Digital payments are no longer confined to select individuals or classes. Today, even the smallest shopkeepers in India benefit from this facility. My government is continuously working to ensure competence in cyber security. As a result of these efforts, India has achieved Tier 1 status in the Global Cyber Security Status and Index. Honorable members, 10 years ago, the budget for CAPEX was around 2 lakh crore rupees, which has now increased to over 11 lakh crore rupees in the last budget. I am pleased to inform you that Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla rail link project has been completed. Connecting the nation from Kashmir to Kanyakumari through the railway line. Under this ambitious project, the Chenab Bridge has been constructed, which is the highest railway bridge in the world. Honorable members, metro projects in Delhi, Pune, Thane and Bangalore, along with the recently launched Namo Bharat Rapid Rail Services on the Ahmedabad-Bhuj route are shaping the cities of a Viksit Bharat. Just a few weeks ago, work began on Rithala-Narela-Kundli corridor in Delhi, which will be one of the major sections of the Delhi metro network. In 2014, the total metro network in Delhi NCR was less than 200 kilometers. Now it is more than doubled. Additionally, the decision to deploy 52,000 electric buses in the country at an estimated cost of 8,000 crore rupees will provide smooth and clean urban transportation. Honorable